The Battle of the Boyne, 1690. Why this battle between William and James is still remembered today. History is full of epic battles, but few are remembered for over 300 years like the Battle of the Boyne. Imagine two kings, both claiming the throne of England, Scotland, and Ireland, meeting face to face on a battlefield in 1690. On one side, William of Orange, leading a professional, disciplined army. On the other, James II, determined to reclaim his lost crown. What happened that day wasn't just a clash of armies. It shaped politics, religion, and identity for centuries to come. The Battle of the Boyne was fought on July 1st, 1690, near the River Boyne in Ireland. It was part of a larger conflict between Catholic King James II and Protestant King William III of Orange, who had deposed him during the Glorious Revolution of 1688. James sought to use Ireland as a base to regain his throne. His army included Irish Catholics and French allies. William, backed by English Protestants, Dutch troops, and other European allies, landed in Ireland to secure his rule. The armies met at the Boyne. William's forces numbered about 36,000, while James had around 25,000. Despite fierce resistance, William's troops successfully crossed the river and outmaneuvered James's men. James retreated, eventually fleeing to France, earning the nickname Seamus and Chaka, James the Coward. Though casualties were relatively low compared to other battles of the era, the Boyne became hugely symbolic. It confirmed William's position as king and the survival of Protestant power in Britain and Ireland. Today, the battle is remembered especially in Northern Ireland. Every year on July 12th, Protestant communities, particularly the Orange Order, commemorate William's victory with parades and celebrations. For them, it represents religious freedom and political survival. For many Catholics, however, it symbolizes defeat, loss of power, and centuries of struggle. The Battle of the Boyne wasn't just a fight over a crown. It was a turning point in British and Irish history, one whose echoes are still heard in politics, culture, and identity today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more.